We currently have a combined space where we do metal, wood, and auto, and it's not really ideal for a few different reasons. We really shouldn't be, grinding metal in the same room as we have dry wood laying around. And with the increase in students enrolling in both the metal and wood programs, it just makes sense to have a separate dedicated space. In this capital project, there will be great improvements made to the infrastructure here within 185, room 185, also known as the shop. There's going to be tremendous ventilation upgrades, as well as tremendous electric upgrades. The welders that I would like to get are going to use significantly more electricity, which is going to require more service being brought in, a whole bunch of new outlets with some drop outlets as well, hanging from the ceiling. There's going to be 10 welding booths with 10 Miller welders in them that all require a special outlet. And then of course, welding produces smoke and gases, and that all needs to be ventilated out. And there's going to be a bunch of duct work that needs to be installed, and that will all be paid for with the capital project. We will have a classroom space in 185 that can be used. 183 will turn into our wood shop, which will be a separate space. That space is going to require ventilation for sawdust removal, and there will be duct work installed in there, and also very important, some electric upgrades in there. There's a fair amount of outlets in there, but they would not be able to support the need required by the woodworking equipment. A lot of cool things happening here. Tremendous amount of interest. Everyone knows that the trades are, they've always been important, and now they're finally getting the attention they deserve. And we want to give every student here the opportunity to learn as much as they can to make them a valuable member of any workplace, whether it's in Red Hook, or beyond.